heading down to Dallas, Texas. October Truck Madness, OTM. Transport canceled, but you know what? We're driving the baby dually and we're taking the Rebel. So, you know, follow us, guys. Come on, let's get it.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a whole month since the last video. We apologize for that, but we've been working behind the scenes. We've been posting a lot of shorts. We've been posting on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But today's the day, OTM 2023. We brought the baby dually. We brought the Rebel. We drove them here 3 hours. It was a smooth drive. So here you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And remember, comment, like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're all set up. We set up the tent. Set up the shirts. I posted on TikTok and Instagram we're gonna be giving away free shirts to all the new subscribers. I got about 50 shirts, so you know, come and pick them up. It's gonna be a little bit too late when this video releases, but guys, like I said, we did park in the gold area. Shout out to Bandas y Trocas for showing love. We parked pretty much with all the big boys. I feel happy. But look, we got Suelo Mob, we got RGB and trucks all the way from the valley. We're gonna walk around. There's OnDGas, there's Freddy, there's my boy Chew. We're gonna stop by and say hi to him. Guys, there is a lot of trucks. There's from stock to fully built trucks. I enjoy this kind of shows because you know you get to see a little bit of everything. I love this Ford F-150. This is definitely something on my plans, but I want a single cab. You can see this whole area is filled up with trucks. We're gonna try to get you guys a little snippet of all of them. I see a Hellcat over there, so that's pretty nice. So, you know, stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. There's a lot of nice vendors. We got Static Dad over there. El Borracho brand, I've never heard of them. They sell glasses and stuff like that. Man, DJ Botas is lit. DJ Botas is lit today. Look, I see my boy Life of Piña over there. We're gonna stop by his booth, check it out real quick. Man, those candies go hard. Enchiladitos El Gordito. They go hard. They're expensive, $10, but they go hard. Very well recommended. Look, we're here with Life of Piña. He's busy, so we're just gonna sweep by real quick and say what's up. He's giving $20 for every mugshot. I think we got like 5. Just kidding, guys. We are felony free, thank God. Life of Piña hustling them stickers. Shout out to my boy. Ya no le cabe dinero a esa cajita.
Ya, me estoy volviendo loco, carnal. No, déjalo tiro.
¿Verdad? Déjalo aviento.
Dinero me hace daño. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo anda? ¿Cómo anda el frío?
Ya calentó, ya calentó.
Crazy, man.
Pinche viento también se está llevando la tienda ya.
Oh, bro. Our shit is broke. It's already hanging. It's time for a new one. We're going to buy a 50 by 50, man. We're taking
50 by 50, we're taking over.
You bring a whole dealership, I got to bring the whole store.
¿Verdad? This is something new that we haven't seen. It's exclusive elements. It's a sneaker booth at a truck show. So let's check them out, guys. We got Tiny from OnDGas. That was a nice booth. I think I follow them on Instagram. As you guys know, I am a big sneaker fan. Today we brought the Travis Scott's Dunks. Oh, look at this CTSV. Guys, I know there's gonna be one day that I'm gonna bring all of my cars to this show. Either this show or Bandas y Trocas. But I'm gonna bring all of my, whatever cars I have at that time, I'm gonna bring them. We're working on the Silverado. So that truck is we were gonna keep it simple, but we ended up shaving top of the bed. We ended up adding the SS wing. It was supposed to be coming out at this show, but we ended up just postponing it for next year because we're gonna do a custom setup on the wheels. We ordered a set from Forgiatos. We're doing 26 by 12 in the back with a big floating cap. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Forgiato. I love Intro, but the maintenance on Intro, my respect to all the guys that clean their own wheels, that polish them, because it takes a lot of time. Unfortunately, that's something that I don't have, so I'm gonna stick with Forgiatos on the Silverado. But you know, I hope you guys enjoying this video. Here are more trucks. Look, Chevy, Dodge, man, that yellow truck is really nice. Look at the Silverado, guys. Y'all wanna know something? Every time me and my brother, we see a single cab Silverado between 2014 and 2018, we have an inside joke that says, check the VIN, check the VIN. Why? Because as you guys know, they stole my truck beginning of the year. And honestly, I think they had to do a VIN swap. There's no way they would have parted out my truck. The wheels, I'm still looking for the rims because I have not seen that set of Forgiatos yet. But who knows? You know, it just cut it. Artisan engraving, that's something nice to see because honestly, engraving, I've seen it mostly on lowriders, but you know, now we're starting to see it on trucks. We got Ismael all the way from LA. Ismael, I'm a big fan of yours. Thank you for coming to Texas. We always love to see your truck out here, man. I love his truck. I love how he spins the Forgiato like nothing, man. Look, we got my boy Chewy. We're gonna stop by, say hi to Chewy, check out the baby TRX. I really want to get a picture with the baby TRX and the baby dually. Hopefully we can make that happen for you guys. See, a lot of people don't really know about these cars, but this is a donk. This is a 75 Caprice. Man, like, I've been to Florida. I was at the Rick Ross show. This is what you see out there. Here is mostly truck shows. Since it's Texas, it's, you know, trucks, cars. These cars, man, this car is super dope. Guys, as I was telling you, this is something similar to what we're doing to my Silverado. We shaved out the bed. We're doing some tubs for the 26 by 12. Look at El Donkey. Big shout out to El Donkey if you're watching this video. Guys, look at this rig, man. OnDGas had the revealing of this 18-wheeler that they're working on. Look at all the details, man. This is insane. Man, shout out to OnDGas. OnDGas, you're doing it, man. Big shout out to the guys. Nothing but love for them. They're putting on for Texas big time. We're gonna see them at SEMA in 2 weeks. So I'm excited for that. SEMA, we might split it into 3 vlogs because it's gonna be about 3-4 days. Man, my boy Scarface having a whole concert here. Scarface, where you at, Scarface? guys, that was it for the Burnout Pit. Man, once again, big show from Ismael on the gas, my boy Scarface, Chuy, Freddy LSX, Suelo Mob, all the guys. Shout out to them for always putting a great show. Let's check out some races, and from there it's time to pack and head back to Austin.
Y seguimos avanzando por ahí con los corridos. Y suena, ahí les encargo mi compa. Vámonos pues.